Well, there were probably three things. I had done a lot of research on panelized building and talked to a couple other companies actually. Um, and so energy efficiency was part of what led me to the panelized method. But it was also super important to me, knowing that we have a short building season here, to know that we could get the building up quickly, and also that we wouldn't have a lot of penetration of weather while we were in the process of getting the walls up. And so if you stick build here, you can end up with a blizzard covering your pile of lumber.
Absolutely.
And then you're in trouble. So that was actually really important to me too, that the construction would be less impacted by weather. But the third thing for me, along with energy efficiency, was just the lessening of waste, lumber, material waste.
Yeah.
And so those were kind of the three biggies for me. I don't know, just
Well, you save so much energy, minimal heating. I mean, it's incredible. I mean, throughout the coldest part of the winter, I had an oil-filled space heater that heated that house. That was it.